For IGCSE syllabus, the linear programming topic that we learn is about shade, the unwanted region. Okay, so whenever you see the sign bigger, equal, or less equal, you will draw a straight line. Whenever you see the sign bigger or less than, you will draw a dotted line. Alright, example question 1 now. If let's say ask you to shade the unwanted region for s bigger equal to, so what do I draw here? I draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, bigger equal to, so on the x-axis there I mark 2. Bigger equal what? Bigger equal is a straight line, so then I draw a straight line by using ruler. Of course not drawing freehand like that. So bigger equal supposed to be right hand side, so I put the region as region R. Then where I shade the unwanted region, I shade left hand side. Next, number 2. If let's say the question asks you shade the unwanted region for y less than -2. So how do I draw? The same thing. X-axis, y-axis, and then y -2. I mark a -2 here. Then I should draw what now? Dotted line or straight line? Less than look here is a dotted line. So I draw dotted line. Okay, so now the same thing, you look here. Y less than -2, less than -2 supposed to be below it. So that means the region R will be below. So I put here R, and then shade the unwanted region. I shade everything on top. Okay, understood now? Again, I repeat, S bigger equal to, bigger equal. So before you shade anything else, you must draw the straight line first. So this will be S equal to 2. Okay, and then bigger equal to means on right hand side, so I put R for the right hand side. Shade unwanted region. Okay, so on the left hand side. Next, y less than -2, the same thing, you draw the straight line. I mean y equal to -2, but this one because it is less than is the dotted line, so I put the dotted line here. And then less than supposed to be below, so below will be the R region. So on top is the part where I shade it. Okay, done. Next, proceed. What about if they say shade the unwanted region for y bigger than s? Okay, so y bigger than s, we know it should be a dotted line, right? Alright, so I think common sense, you know, x-axis, y-axis, y bigger than s, so you draw a line y equal s. If y equal s will be a line with positive gradient between s-axis and y-axis. So what should I do now? I mean I should draw a line in between by using ruler, of course, not freehand. Okay, so next, we don't know which is the R part. Okay, you don't know, we should, let's say I'm not sure is this side or this side, so how am I going to know? So let's say if here is, I take a point, let's say here is 0, 3. Okay, I sub in. Okay, y is 3. Is it bigger than 0? Yes, congratulations. So the region R will be this side. So you shade the unwanted region, so you shade the another side. Okay, for safety reason, I try to use another point here. Let's say here 5, 0. Is 0 bigger than 5? No one. So confirm my answer is correct. The unwanted region is this side. Alright, next try the next example. Let's say number 4. Shake the unwanted region for y less than equal negative s. So how do you draw at first? You must draw the line first. Okay, how are we going to draw the line? So we can see here, this is y. The equation of the line should be y equal negative s. Negative x means gradient negative. So we are supposed to draw a dotted line in the middle directly. Sorry, not dotted line. Draw a straight line because that's the equal sign. So I draw a straight line here. Exactly in the middle. Okay, then less than equal. So I'm not sure where it is, but normally on the left hand side will be the one less than, below one will be the one less than. But sometimes the slanting way of the line will make you confused whether which side it is. So roughly I think this side first. So I just mark a point on. Let's say this is negative 3, 0. Okay, I sub in 0 less equal negative negative 3. So that means 0 less than 3. Am I right? Yes. So that means this will be the R part. And the unwanted region will be here. Okay. Alright. Next, if let's say the straight line given the equation is shake the unwanted region for y less equal s plus 3. Okay. So before drawing any lines, perhaps you can make yourself not too confused first. By how? You can make the equation first, write down the equation, y equal s plus 3. Then I draw a table. The table, you put in s-intercept and y-intercept. Y-intercept is when s equals 0. S-intercept is when y equals 0. So when I sub in s is 0, y will be 3. When I sub in y as 0, s will be negative 3. Alright. Then I draw the axis. Same thing, I label it x-axis, y-axis. Then the first point, 0, 3. If you're confused, you write here 0, 3. Then this one will be negative 3, 0. So 0, 3. Where will 0, 3 be? Perhaps here, roughly. Okay. And then negative 3, 0. Negative 3, 0. It should be here. Okay, so we have 2 points now already. 0, 3. I put here for the first time. Negative 3, 0. Then this is less than equal, means supposed to be a straight line. So I draw a straight line. Alright. So now less equal, less than, or less equal, okay, it should be below or on the left hand side. So this line I assume here is up, here is down, but double confirm I just mark a point here lah. Let's say this is 0, 0. I sub in 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 is less than 3. So this is the wanted region. If this is the wanted region, that means this will be the unwanted region. So I shake the unwanted region. So conclusion, if let's say they give you an inequality, before choosing how to shake the unwanted region, you have to form the equation of the straight line first. After you form it, okay, you find the s-intercept, y-intercept, put in a table. then you have 2 points, you can draw a line. If bigger equal less equal, you draw straight line. Bigger than less than, you draw dotted line. That's all. Got it?